Art Friends. Today we are going to draw a puppy with a flower in its mouth.
Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun, and we hope you're going to follow along. You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw our puppy's nose. We're going to draw it right here in the middle of our paper. We can draw the letter V. And then let's draw the top of our puppy's nose. And we can also draw the eyes. I'm going to start here and draw a big circle. And then another big circle on the other side. Then let's draw the little highlight in the top left to make the eyes look shiny. And let's color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. You can also color in the nose, and that part we sped up, so remember to pause the video if you need extra time. Okay, now let's draw our puppy's head. I'm going to start right here, and we're going to draw a U shape that comes under, and then we're going to come back up on the other side. Yeah, and then we can also draw the mouth. We're going to draw a little line coming down. And then let's draw a curve that comes out and connects to the bottom. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. That's a little different than the mouths we usually draw. That looks really cute. Now let's draw the top of our little dog's head. I'm going to draw a curve. It kind of looks like we're connecting, but we're going to leave a little space, almost like we're drawing a big oval. Yeah, and then we can start right here and we'll draw the ears. And it kind of looks like we're drawing a Frenchie. I'm going to draw another curve that comes down. So I have a little corner at the top, and then I also drew a little bump down here. Oh, that's really cute. Let's do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to extend this just a little bit, and then we'll draw coming up, and then we're going to curve down and into the head. All right, now let's draw the little wrinkles on the nose. We can draw two. I'm going to draw a little one above that too. Oh, and let's also draw the inside of the ear. We'll draw a curve that comes down from the point. And then we can come down and connect into the side of the head. Yeah, and then let's do the same thing over here. Now let's draw the flower in our little puppy's mouth. We're going to draw the stem coming up to the cheek. And then we can also draw it sticking out of this side. I drew a little higher on this side too. Let's also make the stem thicker. I'm going to draw another line right next to it that matches, and the same over here. Let's connect these two lines. And then on this side, we're going to draw the rose, or you could change this to be a different flower too. We're going to draw a sideways U shape. You could turn this into a tulip. You could also draw a daisy, any flower you want. Now let's draw the petals inside, and we're going to draw it really simple. We'll start here, and we're going to draw a spiral around like this, and then we'll connect to the U shape, and then we'll connect to the other side too. And then right here, we're going to continue into the letter U and then connect down to the bottom. And then see right here, this little gap on the spiral, we can draw another line that connects in. And let's draw another line that connects on this side of the spiral. That looks super 3D. Oh, and we could add one more on the inside. Then let's draw an S curve. And we'll start at the end, and then we'll connect back in. Let's do the same thing down here. We'll draw an S curve going this way, and then connect back into the flower. That's a really simple way to draw a rose. Now let's draw the rest of our puppy. I'm going to start here. We're going to draw the shoulders, and we're going to come down, and we'll draw the shoulders on the other side coming down. Then we're going to draw the cute little puppy paws. We're going to draw an elbow on each side. And then we're going to draw big puppy paws. I'm going to draw a curve around and then connect or not connect, but leave a space almost like you are gonna connect. Yeah, and then let's try to draw that same size shape for the other paw. And then we can draw the little toe lines on each paw. Instead of drawing the rest of the puppy, let's just draw a line right here. Maybe our puppy is climbing up onto our bed or couch. And if you have a little space in between the paws, you can also connect it there too. And we did it. We finished drawing our cute little Frenchie with a flower, except we still need to
color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, so remember to pause the video and take extra time to color your drawings. Taryn, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our cute Frenchies with a flower. Did you have fun?
I did.
You promise?
Mm-hmm.
I had fun too. And I hope our friends will take time to color their drawings.
You can also add more things to the background.
Oh yeah, like more puppies or even more flowers. I also really love that our two drawings don't look exactly the same. They both turn out awesome, and that's because the most important thing is
to have fun and to practice.
Yeah.
And we hope you had a lot of fun drawing your puppy with a flower.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.